Hi everyone, in front of me I have Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install an Opera browser for it. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, you need to open up the Play Store. Then in the search bar, just type Opera, click on install, wait for the browser to be downloaded. And as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded and installed. Click on open. Here there are just a few steps left in order to set it up. Continue, enable ad blocking, enable check-in blocking, set Opera as default, or actually I'll postpone it for later, and skip. And here you have the Opera browser. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.